Hello, good people. This is Sherry with Sharika Originals. I'm making another pair of reversible earrings. This is the fabric is fabric on both sides. This first side is an African print side, and the reverse is denim. I'm cutting the shapes in my Glowforge, and I used 1/4 inch wood this time. I normally use 1/8 inch wood. So because I had a wide side, I decided to use some washi tape on the side of the earrings. So here I am applying the washi tape, and I'm going to use a file to cut the excess tape off. I couldn't find my file, so I'm using sandpaper. I'm removing my masking tape from both sides of the earrings. In order to make the earrings reversible, I use a wire hoop, and you can take the earring off and turn it around to the other side, and voila, it's reversible. It's a really easy and simple concept. So I'm just using this shaper to make my round wire hoops. You can also buy those, but they're easy to make. I'm taking my round nose pliers and I'm making a simple loop. Once I make the loop, I'm going to turn it to the side. To finish the closer, I take the other side and I turn the tip up so that it fits through the loop. You slide your earring on and turn it whichever way you want. And then you can slide it off and turn it over and you have the reverse side. It's easy as that. All right, good people, this is what we have here. Let me know what you think about this. If you like this video, please like, share, leave me a comment. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. That would help me out immensely. All right, good people. Don't forget our Tuesday live subscriber chats. We're trying to figure out some different things to do on our chats. So if you have suggestions, let us know. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.